So today we will take a look at model Bird of Time. This is model from USA by Dynaflight or Great Plains company, how you want. This is 3 meters wingspan soaring glider with a nice retro design. This is not classic retro design. Today constructions only with retro design. This is really I don't know, maybe 30 years old glider, and with original construction, and this is classic glider with without problems during build or during flying. How I say, 3 meters wingspan, and this glider is for high start, or for maybe you can use it with motor on pylon upwing. I will make it pylon with motor. You can't put motor in the nose of fuselage, or you can, but with big complication. We will see later. So, a Bird of Time you can buy 2 different sets. One set is classic scratch build. Classic scratch build, sheets of balsa wood and ply, and this scratch build have a fuselage from wood, from balsa wood and from ply. This almost ready to fly, this second set, is with complete wing from 3 parts, from fuselage, from fiberglass. And now we will take a look on this almost ready to fly set. This is a really big box, and I can't put it on look of camera completely. So, what is inside? Inside are constructions with pictures. Okay, constructions is fine. This is not model for complete beginners. This is for I think medium skilled RC pilots and builders. Stickers, and this is I don't know how I'd say in English, special fiber paper for hints for rudder. Next part inside is wing, inside the box. How I say, wing is from 3 parts, and it's finished, complete, ready to small works to flying, and it's covered with monocoat foil. Wing is quality is not perfect, but almost perfect. Small imperfections in covering, but you can repair it. With hot iron. I think it's really nice, very light white, and I hope it will be flying nice. Outer part, big center part, again with monocoat foil with small imperfections. These small imperfections are probably from time of storage in maybe cold conditions, we don't know. But you can, how I say, you can easily repair it with hot iron. It's very nice and very strong but light. Center part of wing, second outer part of wing, again some small imperfections. What next? Next are parts for connecting of wing. Two parts. Each part is from two parts from some light metal, and two parts from light ply. Yes, you will glue it in this one big part and glue it in outer part of wing and put it in center part of wing. Rudder, construction rudder, again covered with monocoat foil. Canopy, transparent canopy. Elevator is from full balsa wood and covered with monocoat foil again. And now some small parts, hooks, pans, screws, etc, 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 etc. Hook for tow rope. This is parts for elevator. Some white in the nose, and in box are some wires. One wire for controlling of rudder, and last part inside is fuselage. How I say in this set is fuselage finished from fiberglass. It's really strong, nice quality. Again, not perfect, but almost perfect. And with preparation for elevator, for rudder. How you can see, these holes for pans, for hints, for rudder are really not perfect. I think this is maybe after some drinks. Okay, it will works, but these holes are really not perfect. But this is it's not important. I won't make or put hook in nose for tow airplane, for rope for tow airplane, or maybe motor in nose. You can't because in the nose is glued. In the nose is glued. Probably you will not see, but trust me, in the nose, maybe on this level, are glued. Is glued these small balls from heavy white. I don't know in English language right name. This nose is filled on this level, glued with epoxy glue probably. How I see on internet, maybe you can remove it. You can make small hole in the nose, make a hole and remove it. I don't know you can remove it. You can remove it, but probably you can to make any damages on the nose, on a nice fuselage. I put motor on pylon upwing, on top side of wing. So that's all. That's all. What next? Some pictures from building, from build, and of course some movie during first flights. First flights with high start, and first starts with motor on top side of a wing. Okay, see you later.